Hi ladies, welcome for another exciting video, and thank you for watching my last video, by the way. And today's video I'm actually going to do another try on haul, but this time we're going to do fall try on haul from H&M. So stay tuned. Alright, I've actually got 8 items for you guys, and for some reason 2 of the items that I bought are missing, so I don't know where it went, but if they arrive late, then I could show you those items later on for my next video. But today's video I have 8 items try and haul from H&M, and also showing you some full outfit ideas. So let's get started with the dresses first. So the first dress that I have is the sleeveless jacket dress, which is $49.99, and the color is beige, and that's the only color available. It is a fitted sleeveless knee-length jacket dress in a woven, linen, and viscose blend, pointed lapels, double-breasted wrap over front, and removable tie belt at waist, and it is lined. It is composed of 52% rayon, 48% linen, and the lining is actually 100% polyester. This is such a very pretty dress. I actually forgot to show it to you. So this is the dress. I think this dress can be dressed up or down. The color is so beautiful. Now the material is very soft. Again, it's lined, and it has that padding on the shoulder area, and it is just above my knee. I absolutely love this dress just because I can dress it up, I can dress it up and down, and also I love the color, and I do love the material. Even though the lining is actually made of 100% polyester, but for the price of $49.99, I think that it is well made. Now let's move on to the second dress. The second dress that I have is this linen blend shirt dress, and this is $59.99. I also ordered the color white for this dress, and for some reason it didn't come with the box that I got from H&M, so I don't know if it got lost or someone took it, but it's not in the box, but it said on my email that it arrived or it's delivered, so I don't know. I have to call them for that. But anyways, this is a cuff-length dress in a woven linen and cotton blend, collar V-neck at front and yoke at back, drop shoulders, long sleeves with button-up cuffs, and wrap over front with white ties at one side, gently rounded hem at front, and it is unlined. And this is 55% linen and 45% cotton, and it actually hit just on my above my ankle area, so it's a little bit longer than the one on the website. I do love the sleeves. It has that beautiful, I don't know, a little bit balloon, but it's not too much. I love the V-neck in the front. I think that is absolutely gorgeous, and again, V-neck is actually good on lengthening your height or your body. And it has a little bit of like how do you call that, ruching or pleats on the midsection, which is actually perfect. Now the material is a little rough, kind of linen, but it's still a very well made dress for the price of $59.99. Alright, so let's move on to the cardigan and jackets, and this is the 3/4 length sleeve jacket, and it is $49.99, and this one also comes with light purple, and this is a straight cut slim jacket in woven fabric, notch lapels, 3/4 length sleeves, and wide front pockets, no fasteners, and it is lined. I actually don't think it's 3/4, it's a little bit longer than 3/4, but it is made of 96% polyester, and spandex is 4%. Now the material, you can definitely tell it's polyester. It's a little rough. The color itself is it's really white. So if you're someone who does not like white because you don't want it to get dirty, then this is not for you. But I do love the length of this jacket. I think it's a little bit long than most of the jackets that I've owned, which is I love. And for that reason, I think I love the length of the jacket, and it's still a very well made for a price of $49.99, but I just don't like that it is 100% polyester. All right, the second one is the knit cardigan. Now this is $34.99, and it also comes with black, and this is a cardigan in a soft knit. It's actually, it's kind of soft, but I think Cezanne has softer material. It is v-neck, drop shoulders, and long sleeves with ribbing at cuffs, and the tie belt at waist and straight cut hem. Now this is 54% polyester, 36% acrylic, and 8% wool, and 2% spandex. It's a beautiful knit cardigan. I think it's thick enough for, I guess, fall. Even in winter you could wear it depending on the how cold your location is. But I think for the price of $34.99, this knit cardigan from H&M is actually a really good deal, and I actually do love the color. Let's move on to their dress pants, which is $34.99, and it actually comes with gray green. It's a beautiful color. Now this is an ankle length dress pants in woven fabric, high waist, pleats at top, and zip fly with hook and eye fastener and concealed button, diagonal side pockets, mock quilt back pockets, and straight wide legs. Now this is 96% polyester, 4% spandex, and pocket lining is polyester 100%. Now the material is very thin, super thin, and actually it doesn't not look very I would say it doesn't really look expensive to me, but I do love the pleats in the front, and I like the a little bit of elasticize on the waistline. But even though it has pleats on the front, I still didn't like how it looks on my midsection. I think you can still see that pooch, but I like that it's high-waisted. I also like that it is a wide leg. Even though it's a wide leg, it still hits on my ankle area. So some wide leg that I've had in the past is actually very long, which makes your legs a little bit longer, but for this one it hits on my ankle area. But unfortunately, I don't think this is such a great dress pants, so for that reason I'm going to return this one. All right, ladies, that is actually it for now. I decided to separate the H&M haul just because I'm still waiting the other two items from H&M, and I just realized that it's actually separate. The shipment is separate, so for that reason I would just split the video, and I don't want this video to be too long as well, as it can get really difficult to edit. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like this one, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you like another kind of video or any suggestion or recommendation of any video that you want, please leave a comment down below. And again, thank you for supporting this channel, and I hope to see you on my next video.